All right, that was our red enchilada sauce in our sheet pan. Now I'm gonna add some shredded rotisserie chicken right into our enchilada sauce. You can kind of mix it up as best as you can. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious quick snack that everyone will love. Now I'm using shredded chicken, but you can use ground beef, ground turkey, you can use some carnitas, some steak, whatever kind of meat you like, go for it. You can even make it meatless and do some beans. But I think this chicken is really gonna pull all of these flavors together beautifully. Now we wanna kind of just flatten out those chickens the best we can. So kind of just spread it so that there's a piece of chicken in every bite. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be delicious, you guys. All right, now that that is set, I'm gonna bring in some diced white onion and we're just kind of sprinkle those throughout your dish. Now, if you don't like onion, you can skip this. It's honestly just a preference thing. I added this to the recipe because I love onions. The smell, the taste, everything, they are my favorite. Now, since we did buy that rotisserie chicken, it didn't come seasoned, so I'm gonna add some taco seasoning to this entire dish, and you can be as generous or, as skimpy as you want, but I want a lot of flavor in this. It's gonna be so good and easy. All right, let's quickly get this nice and seasoned. So I used about one, of those packages of taco seasoning. Now, before we pop this in the oven, I have my Mexican 4 cheese. This is the 1 pound bag. All right, we're going crazy with the cheese because this is gonna be the main ingredient for our delicious snack that we're making. Okay, go ahead and just get this cheese from edge to edge. I am way too excited to eat this. Oh. And just like with everything else, you can use whatever cheese you like, but I'm kind of keeping this Mexican inspired because you guys know I love my Mexican flavors. Now you can make it even more authentic with a homemade enchilada sauce, but you guys know I like to keep it easy and convenient and kind of more affordable. Those little cans of enchilada sauce are, under $3, so they're super affordable. Okay, that looks cheesy and delicious. Now this is gonna go in the oven. It's set to 350 and it's gonna bake for about 10 minutes until that cheese is golden brown. All right, you guys, so I brought another sheet pan and then my party size Tostitos. And we are just gonna get our chips right onto our sheet pan. Woo! All right, pups are gonna get a little snack later from those crumbs that fell. And we're just making sure that these are spread from edge to edge. Now this sheet pan is slightly larger than the green one that we used for our cheese and enchilada sauce, which is gonna be perfect. All right, that is ready. Let's go ahead and check on that cheese and enchilada sauce. All right, you guys, this is ready. And now we just slide it right on. Get all of that extra sauce off. Oh my goodness, do you see how incredible these enchilada nachos look? I mean, my mouth is watering. It is time to get some. Woo. Oh my gosh. Yeah, look at that. Oh, get a few extra chips that are just dry right there. This looks incredible. And kind of a fun party trick if you want to do it for like a game day or for whatever. Oh yeah, that looks so good.